Jntuk r23 regulation set number 3, second btech second semester regular examinations, April month 2025. Subject managerial, economics and financial analysis. Common to CSC, CSC CS, CSC IoT, CSC and CSC IB CT. Part A 2 marks questions అండి. ఒకటిలో ఏ what is the significance of demand analysis in managerial economics? B. Define the concept of consumer surplus. What are the different types of elasticity of demand? Explain the concept of cost classification. What is meant by production cost? Discuss the role of break-even analysis in financial decision making. Question 1G. What are the objectives of financial statement analysis? Define probability ratios and their importance. Explain the functions of APR and NPV. What are the different types of liquidity ratios? Part B 10 marks questions. Unit 1 నుంచి second లో explain the importance of managerial economics in business strategy formulation. B. Discuss the law of dimensioning, marginal utility and its applications. Unit 2 నుంచి explain the short run and long run production functions with example. B. Discuss cost output relationship in the long run. Unit 3 నుంచి 4th లో explain the process of determining price output decisions in perfect competition. What are the different type pricing strategies used by firms? Explain with examples. Unit 4 నుంచి 5th లో describe the importance of ratio analysis in financial decision making. B. Discuss the different sources of working capital finance. Unit 5 నుంచి 6th లో explain the concept of risk and return in investment decisions. B. Discuss the role of financial institutions in the Indian economy. Set 1, Set 2, Set 3 and Set 4 4 sets వీడియోస్లో అప్లోడ్ చేయడం జరిగిందండి డిఫరెంట్ వీడియోస్లో. థ్యాంక్ యూ.